how to create project on CapCut in computer. And okay guys, here in your computer dashboard, okay, go to CapCut. Here in CapCut, okay, to create project, okay, you'll have to do is click the create project button here. And now you can see here the CapCut dashboard. Okay, to add or to import the video or image or audio, okay, you'll have to do is click the import button here. So for my example, I add the video on my folder. So for my example, I select this one of my video, and after that, click open to import this video. So okay guys, to add this video to the edit section, okay, you can click the plus sign, or you can slide this project to this editing section. And after that, you can add also the image. So for my example, I add image from my folder picture, and I select the image. After that, you select the image, click open, and you have another item, okay, the picture. To add this picture, so for my example, I add this picture on the right side of this video, so you can go to this side. So you can select the image and slide and put on the right side of this video. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully import the video and the image or picture on my project. For my example, I add another the music of my video, so you can go to import again and select the music or audio you like. Okay, for my example, I add my music. So okay, after you select the music or mp3 files, okay, you can click the open button to add this music or audio to your project. So okay, to add this on your video, okay, select and click the plus sign, or you can select or slide. Okay guys, now my video is have a sounds or audio. So after you create the video with image with audio, okay, to export this project, you can go to the upper right side on your screen and click the export button. And now you can set the export settings. So okay, for my example, I set into 1080p 60 fps, and after that, click export button. And now exporting your project. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully create a project on CapCut in computer.